This was my Christmas tree.
And today I'm turning it into handmade wooden coasters you'd actually put in your living room. I'll show you how to process the wood, cut clean slices, sand them smooth and finish them step by step.
This is simple DIY home decor, made from something most people usually throw away. If you enjoy making things yourself or giving materials a second life, then you're in the right place.
No shortcuts, no hype, just a clean, repeatable process.
Let's start by breaking the tree down into something usable.
I'm cutting away the branches first, so I'm left with a clean section of the trunk that's easier to handle. This is just a regular Christmas tree, nothing special. Soft wood, easy to work with, and perfect for small DIY woodworking projects, like making coasters. If they're not perfectly even, that's not a mistake, that's character.
You're thinking, why doesn't he use a chainsaw? Well, with this handsaw I can be much more precise, and that's what it's all about.
If you are new to woodworking, take your time here. Clean cuts now save a lot of sanding later.
Next we're gonna sand them. We're starting with 40 grit and I'll finish with 120. What you doing there?
My auto's kapot.
Oh, you're fixing your car?
Yes, it's kapot.
Oh, he's damaged? Better repair it then. Bye bye.
I'm starting with a rough grit and working my way up to get the surface smooth and comfortable to touch. The goal here is nice to hold, not museum quality. Sanding is where they really start to feel like finished home decor instead of raw wood slices.
This is the kind of stuff I make here on HobbyJohnDo. Simple projects, no overcomplicating.
Finishing the wood does not only protect it, it brings out the grain and completely changes how these coasters look. There's no right or wrong choice here. It just depends what fits your home.
Definitely the best thing I ever made from a Christmas tree. Thanks for spending some time with me, and I'll see you in the next project. Bye!